On this millennial review video, we're taking a look at the Yunmai Smart Scale. This is a pretty inexpensive smart scale that you can pick up off of Amazon or a bunch of other places. But basically, I picked this up because I'm hoping to track a little bit more with my weight and body mass and all that kind of cool stuff. So that's what this is going to help us do. Now, one of the reasons I chose this is it's fairly inexpensive, like I said. And it is FDA listed, meaning that it should be pretty accurate. But in this video, we're going to unbox this, take a look at the scale. We'll go over installing it on your phone and how it works with the app, and then just give you my impressions. So let's get going. So this Yunmai mini scale here, this actually does come in 3 other colors, but I chose the white here. And popping it out of the box, see that it does come with the batteries needed to install into it, and then you're going to get this small pocket of documentation. In here, it's just going to be your instructions, and then of course a quick start guide. To get started, all you need to do is take the plastic off of it. You've got this small little screen protector that can come off, and when you flip it over, you'll see there's a nice little logo. Pull back on that, and that's where we can install our batteries. And with the batteries installed, you're now going to see that it's going to start the boot up procedure. And to set it up on our phone, we've got the phone here. All you got to do is download the app and go ahead, hit open. That's going to open up the app. And now at this point, it's going to ask us to register. Okay, and with that all set up, all we need to do to get this to talk to the scale is it says to hold near the new device, which I'm doing. Hopefully it'll pick it up. Device found, and we'll go ahead and pair our scale. So next up is going to be to weigh ourselves. So if we step onto the scale, it's going to start to read out our weight, and then you can see right on the screen it's going to have the weight there as well. And what's pretty neat is it'll confirm through, and then it can measure out your BMI, body fat, skeletal muscle, the amount of water, protein, your visceral fat, bone mass, BMR, and then fitness age. So that's pretty neat to go through. And what's really cool is this will actually be able to be added to all your different devices, say like your Fitbit, or if you use Google Fitness or Apple Fitness as well. So overall, I think this Yunmai scale is pretty neat. Go ahead and let me know what you think down in the comments below. And as always, hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this into the future.